Ayan, happy 7th month, sorry. 7 months na tayo. And I'm very thankful that you came up to my life to be my lifetime and amazing partner. And thank you for being such a good partner and my joyful antidote. My heart is full of gratitude that you become my lover and my favorite baby in the whole world. You are more than a partner, but my best friend. Now I can say that I'm not alone na. Kasi whatever trials that life throws us, we can face it together na kasi andyan ka na eh. We will overcome them by the grace of God. Kasama ka, tayong dalawa, harapin natin ang hamon ng buhay. Ano man ang sasabihin ng iba, hindi kita susukuan, ngunit ipaglalaban. Your love, more than words can say. Be happy 7th anniversary. Thank you sa buhay mo. I love you hanggang sa dulo.
Thank you sa lahat. Kayo ng pagmamahal, pag-alaga. Happy Mansuri, 7 Mansuri sa ating dalawa.
I love you.